Hi everyone, I want to show you this awesome tool set that I keep in all of my cars and trucks, even a boat. It's perfect for emergency use. They don't take much space at all. You can put them underneath the seat, pretty much anywhere. They're flex head, so they fit in really tight spaces. Plus they're ratchets. They go from 8 all the way to 19. The way you fold it is first you close that. This is for, so if you put it upside down, now the tools will fall out. This way, nothing's going anywhere. Definitely recommend this product.